Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft account from Edge browser. So it will be really simple and easy. So first of all, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click on this gear icon and now you can see that there is a account. It's showing up. If you guys wanted to remove this account, you guys won't be able to remove it from here. If you try to remove this, it will remove your personal profile instead of this account. So to remove this account is simple. Head over to settings by right clicking here and click on this settings icon. It should go to your system settings. You can simply press Windows plus I button to open this. Now click on this accounts and then simply click on email and accounts. Now this is where you guys should be looking at if you guys wanted to remove your email and account that is showing up on your Edge browser. So in this case, I want to remove this account. So go back to settings and click on this desired account that you wanted to remove. Now here is the remove account option. Just simply click on this remove and click on yes button and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove Microsoft account from Edge browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.